Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry it's been a while since the last video, but we've been busy with customer work, so haven't really had a chance to film anything, but we've still been doing plenty. The V8 is still in progress. Sorry we haven't had any episodes on that. We're waiting on the adapter plate, the PMC adapter plate to be modified. That's with the machine shop, so we should have that back any day now and we can get back on with that. This is probably mainly about the stroker. I've been tuning it and had a bit of help from a guy called David in Portugal from Romraider. He's been helping me with the tuning of it, and it's running so much better than what it was on the standard map. The torque is just immense compared to what it was before. So I have a burst brake pipe. I'm going to sort that out on it now. That burst the other day when I was doing some donuts, and I'm going to have a look at doing some welding on the car because I want to get it in for MOT, so I can take it out onto the road and start doing some proper tests with it. But so far so good. So I'll film a little bit of what I'm going to do today, and hopefully you enjoy. So I just thought I'd show you what I've been doing. So there was a big hole here, so I've just patched that up and put some CM sealer on it. I'll give it a bit of paint now once that dries. I have to plate up the front jacking point, as you can see, on both sides. Both of them are crusty, so they won't pass an MOT, so I'll have to just cut that out and plate up over them. There's a few other bits I need to sort out before I can MOT it. The anti-roll bar mounts obviously rusted, so I'll remove them and put new ones on. I've got an oil leak which is coming from the dipstick. The rubber seal must be gone, so I'll need to replace that. And my, as you can see, that's where the brake line burst, so I just need to replace that as well. So I've got a few minor jobs to do before I can put it in for an MOT and get it onto the road. As you can see, the car is quite crusty. I did originally park the car up once the original 2.8 engine blew up that it fitted. And the plan was just to use it as a parts car and use it to build my other drift compact. But now I've driven it, it was the easiest car to put the engine into. So I'm thinking of just obviously repairing it, getting an MOT on it so I can drive it on the road and test the engine. Still have quite a bit more mapping to do to get it 100% perfect, which I'll do. Which will be easier to do once it's on the road. It's very hard to do it around the industrial estate because I can only do first and second gear pulls. So that's not ideal. But in regards to the car, the engine wise, it runs really good. It's powerful, seems much more powerful than any 2.8 I've ever had. It's more powerful than 330s. The torque is noticeable from low down, or it just seems like there's plenty of torque. It does donuts no problem, low down in the revs with 18-inch wheels on in the dry. Spin second, third gear, easy. I'll put a video in of some donuts I done the other day when the brake pipe burst. But yeah, really, once again, thanks for watching. Hopefully we'll do a few more videos over the next coming weeks, and we'll be get a bit more content out. We've been quite busy over the last few weeks, so I haven't really had a chance to do anything. But basically, thanks for watching. If you're liking the videos, make sure to subscribe, share, just get your name out there, and thank you very much.
Sorry boy, it's pretty. Yeah boy.